This is like I'm in the heaven. Look. The trees. This is heaven made by nature. I'm seeking for plants. For the most beautiful plants. What I'm gonna dry and make a beautiful jewelry out of just for you. Raspberries. No matter what the time of the year is, I'm still seeking for those plants. So come to check. There are mosses. Moss. And here, this is heather. But the blossoms are gone because it's too cold for it. Let's continue up the hill. I'm sure we will pick something. I see moss. These mosses. Isn't it awesome how the stump is covered with the mosses? The nature is so strong. Check those things. These. I can't even press them. Look at it. It's alright. This is the heather. Oh, this is all the heather. This is like a hunt for treasures, but the treasures are everywhere. Come to check it out. I've got nuts here. I've got pines. And they were eaten by squirrels. Wow. Some more heathers. Freshly eaten by squirrels. This is like I'm in the heaven. The trees. This is heaven made by nature. What a branch. These stones, they definitely contain some big shiny. So there are some medals. Look, there's a medal. It's silver. Look at this luck. This is the proof of the Mother Nature. This could be a fern heaven. Kind of. We are today. So look at them. This is a hunt, but look at the snow. The plants are all covered. These are all blueberries. There's got to be dozens of thousands of them. It's growing out of the stones. It's like this could be the end of today's. Found me. This is my spot. What are you doing here, brother? This is unbelievable.